Ciao. Hey mate, how you going?
Yeah, not too bad. How about you?
Yeah, not too bad.
Boys trip to Glassy.
You want to go on a boys trip to Glasshouse Mountains? Whoa, mate, 4 drive trip. Yeah, I'm keen. I'll be there in 30 minutes, yeah?
See you soon, sexy.
No worries. See you then. Cheers. What is going on here? Oh, split integral hose. Yeah, that's no good. Hey man, it doesn't look like I'll be able to join the boys trip,
What the hell, man?
I've got a split integral
Well,
hose.
have you checked out the new Budget 4x4 Life website?
The new Budget 4x4 Life website.
Wait, have you not seen it?
No mate, I'll have it gears.
Well, what are you doing?
Yeah,
Open it.
I'll get it back to you.
Yeah, I'm on my way, every single twist turn nothing. I can see a couple boys fronting, nothing. Why they even acting like I won't push a button?
Hey man, thank you so much for showing me that website. Hey, I got some silicone hoses, and while I was at it, I also grabbed some service parts. So I might just do the filters and the belts, make sure it's ready for the trip. But yeah, it should be good to go on the weekend, mate. No
Order your
worries.
bash plates yet, bro?
Yeah, I've got some bash plates already, so that's
Oh,
fine.
let's
That's
go.
fine, mate. And happy New Year, by the way.
too, brother.
I'm looking forward to seeing you on the weekend.
Yeah, see you, man.
No worries. See you soon.
Mwah.